We can only add or subtract surds if they have the same number inside the root. Here, as they both end in root 2, hence they're like terms. Hence 7 lots of root 2 plus another 3 lots of root 2 will simplify to give us 10 lots of root 2. When multiplying involving surds, if the numbers are outside, we times them outside. Here 2 times 7 will give us 14 lots of root 5. When multiplying surds, if the numbers are on the inside, we times them on the inside. Hence root 2 times root 5 will simplify to give us root 10. Once again, when multiplying involving surds, if the numbers are on the inside, we times them on the inside. Hence root 7 times root 7 will give us root 49. But we should notice that 49 is a square number, as it's 7 squared. So the square of 49 is simply 7. And that brings us nicely onto our next rule of surds. When you multiply a root by itself, you just get the number or letter back. Once again, when multiplying involving surds, if the numbers are on the outside, we times them on the outside. Here 3 times 2 on the outside will give us 6. And if the numbers are on the inside, we times them on the inside. Well, we know root 5 times root 5 is simply going to give us 5, because we know a root times itself is just a number or letter. And we know 6 times 5 will simplify to give us 30. Here we have 10 root 3 in brackets squared. Well, squared means multiply it by itself. So my first step is to write out the bracket twice. So 10 root 3 multiplied by another 10 root 3. We know when multiplying surds, if the number is on the outside, we times them on the outside. Here 10 times 10 will give us 100. And if the numbers are on the inside, we times them on the inside. But we know a root multiplied by itself will just give this number or letter back. So root 3 multiplied by root 3 will simply be 3. And we know 100 multiplied by 3 will give us 300. When expanding double brackets involving surds, I can apply the FOIL method. F stands for first. I multiply the first term in each bracket together. Here 3 times 5 will give us 15. O stands for outside. I multiply my two outside terms together. Here 3 multiplied by positive root 2 will give us positive 3 root 2. I stands for inside. I'm going to multiply my two inside terms together. Here positive 5 multiplied by positive root 2 will simplify to give us plus 5 lots of root 2. And L stands for last. I multiply the last term in each bracket together. Well, positive root 2 multiplied by another positive root 2. We know a root times itself is just simply a number or letter. Hence, root 2 times root 2 is simply going to give us 2. Collecting like terms, well, I know that 15 add 2 will simplify to give us 17. And I know that 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2, they're like terms as they both end in root 2. Hence, I just add or subtract numbers in front. So therefore, 3 lots of root 2 plus another 5 lots of root 2 will simplify to give us 8 lots of root 2. Now it's your turn.